Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.